In the last video, I have shown you how to install Ubuntu onto Intel Aero drone. After installing Ubuntu, you need to calibrate your drone to make it fly. So I did calibrate, but it was not proper. So you can see here, my drone is not able to get takeoff properly, and it is trying to get tilt at one particular point. You can see it here, and try to rotate at that point. So before flying, I need to calibrate it properly. So I have shown you this video purposefully. So what happened if you didn't calibrate your drone properly? So you can see, to calibrate you need to open your Q ground controller and connect your drone with your Q ground controller, go to your radio and start calibration. So you need to move your throttle stick to the position they are asking you to move, like left, up, down, left, right. And for the calibration you have to keep your mode to mode 2 if you are using Intel Aero drone, because your left is for the throttle and the right one is for raw pitch. So just keep following the pictorial representation of the stick. Right now the stick is saying go right, so I am making it to the right. And also sometimes you need to adjust your raw trim accordingly. You can see my second finger is updating the raw trim. So now it is going to the asking go left, so I am going left. So keep it. It is once you know about it, is very easy, but figuring out how to do it initially was time consuming for me. So I make this video where you can see what is happening into actually in your key ground controller, and how you have to act accordingly into your RC radio transmitter. So it is very easy. Just follow the picture which is showing into your application, and it will calibrate your raw pitch and the roll for the safe flight. So yeah, so nothing much to do, just follow the step, but you have to be careful to follow the exact step what they are asking. So right now I am calibrating my radio controller. So it doesn't take much time, 2 to 3 minutes depending on how previously it is calibrated or not. Yeah, so now it is making raw down, so pitch is down for going down. So move forward and move backward, which will go move forward and the backward. And your camera side of your Intel Aero drone is the forward side, and the battery side is your backward side. So now all the calibration is done. So it is asking move all the transmission switch and back to the next position. So radio calibration is performed. Yeah. So now you can go with your sensor calibration. So first you will start with the accelerometer. So here also I am showing you the composite video where you exactly know what you have to do into your application and what you have to do into your terms of drone. So before accelerating accelerometer, what I did, I attached that battery and all the rotor and the wings to it. So it will get calibrated with its actual weight, so with the actual flying condition. So you have to make sure when your rotor, wings, everything is attached to it, you should not arm it by mistake, otherwise that can have the accident. So be careful with that. So it is always advisable to remove your wings before doing calibration, but I wanted to calibrate it with actual flying condition and actual weight distribution, so I attached the wings. But be extra careful. So now once the accelerometer is done, go to the compass. So once you try to calibrate your compass, so it will ask you to move your drone randomly about axis. So you can see I am moving my drone randomly about axis, and it is calibrating the drone according to its movement. Yeah. So now the compass calibration is also completed. So it is showing at the yellow side, but it should be on the green side, but I will take it for now, and I will calibrate much better in the future. But that's how you calibrate actually. So yeah, so in the next video I will show you my drone and how it is flying after this calibration. Thank you. See you.